Welcome to Equiptop. Today we're going to hear from Charles Cheng, the CEO of Equiptop. Look at that. We're going to ask Charles, how did he do this? Charles? How are you? Nice to meet you too. How did you do it?
这一块工件要磨成这么亮，我们是必须要具备着机台要有足够的一个稳定性，包含机台的刚性，包含机台的一个精度，然后我们砂轮的选择都非常重要。我们每次的加工，如果因为机台在切削的时候下刀量不够稳定，切削出来没办法磨出亮面，没办法磨出镜面。再来就是本身的切削油、切削水一个冷却，本身环境的一个温度也相当重要。因为我们这台机器已经融入90%的一些使用者的一个使用情境，所以我们把这些使用情境融入到这台机台，可以堪称为智慧机械的平民版的一个机器。我们可以用很便宜的价钱买到这么好的一个设备。在过去这12年来，我们对这台机器的一些要求，除了研发、收集顾客的一些使用情境，然后我们回来做一个改变、改善，然后我们在去年拿到经济部创新研究奖，还有我们中华民国杰出管理人协会的一个最佳顾客满意度奖，还有国家品牌的E3奖最佳产品设计，这一些所有的一些奖励都是给我们团队一个很大的鼓励。随着我们整个应用互联网的一个时代来临，制造业服务化已经慢慢成为一个趋势。一台机器如果单纯只制造形态，已经没办法符合整个市场的一个需求。那我们的加工符合到我们客户的一个需要，机台里面拥有50个的语言版本。一般我们国内的控制器买到的，像日本华纳科、德国的西门子、海德汉、三菱，他们的控制器只有7国语言版本，但是我们的控制器里面拥有50国语言版本，让我们的使用者更融入跟机台的一个沟通，所以在机台的使用上，我们的一个故障率减少了。根据过去的一个5年来，我们统计了，我们机台的一个售后的花费的成本，总共降了85%。客户拥有这么好的一台机器，机器故障可以自己来排除，机器可以透过整个预警讯息来告诉你，因为你的设定错误，因为你的加工、你的砂轮选择不对，因为你的主轴转速不对应，相对加工出来没办法呈现这么好的一个完整的一个工件。希望说我们能够以再接再厉，获得我们广大的客户的一个回响。这么好的一台机器，就像是10年磨一剑，我希望能够带给客户最好的产品。
There you have it from Equiptop's CEO Charles Cheng. Now I can't wait to know more about this machine from his sales team. Thank you, Charles.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Today we're at Equiptop and we're going to have Paul Lin, the sales director of Equiptop, show us how to use this very well-designed touchscreen panel. Paul, can you show us how to use this?
Hello, Robert. Nice to meet you.
How's it going, Paul? How are you?
I'm fine. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, can you show us how to use this touchscreen panel because it looks very well designed, very well laid out,
Sure.
and yeah, show us how it's used.
Let me introduce the basic function. And this controller panel including the several language depending on the demand from the customer.
Wow.
Now
okay.
I show you the English version.
Thank you.
Okay. This machine displays the YZ position in here by the encoder device.
Okay.
And to set the touch point and the distance to go, the position and the rough grinding and fine grinding micron setting.
Yeah.
Okay. This page is setting the micro downfeed, the grinding value setting operation in here. You can set the touch point, rise up point, and the finish grinding value, intermediate spark out, and the start point. And this page will show you all the alarm message recording.
Okay, any problems, we can see it right here.
You will,
Okay.
sure. And
Okay.
we can see the alarm message showing here and find the solution with
Okay.
the technician and the electrician
Excellent.
immediately. Also, this
Excellent.
IO monitoring page is to check all the devices, including this machine, how it's
Okay.
running here,
Wow.
such as the hydraulic system. You can see each device, what happened.
Wow.
now
This is
here.
very detailed and comprehensive. Very
Yes,
detailed.
Sure, sure.
Excellent.
And sure, you can see the servo motor for y-axis
Okay.
and it's the running condition here,
Okay.
like this one. And this is for z-axis servo motors.
Well, it's a very nice laid out panel. It
Sure,
looks pretty
sure.
easy to use. I mean, it makes me want to feel like I want to get in the grinding profession.
Sure, it's a friendly operation interface
Okay.
for the basic and for the professional operator and technician. It's easy
see.
to understand
I see.
how to use it.
Yeah.
And this is a parameter setting in here. So
Oh.
any parameter could be set depending on
Sure.
the demand
Okay.
for the customer, yes.
Excellent.
So we show you the other function about this machine. Now turn on the magnetic power here. And it's adjust the magnetic power to the maximum here. And finish grinding. Now this demagnetizer. Now it's shorten the demagnetizer time here from this knob. This is a basic function and the easy function to control the magnetic power here. Okay. And this one is to control the grinding wheel, hydraulic system, and the coolant system here.
Okay.
Okay. And this one control the rock grinding, the speed, and this is 5 grinding speed here.
Okay. I see you even have the MPG in the control panel.
Yes, this MPG is a standard function for this machine.
Okay.
It could be adjusted 1 micron each down when
Wow.
you turn each graduation here.
Wow. Yeah, that's
It's
very
easy.
fine
It's
resolution.
very fine resolution here.
Excellent.
And this is for set the setting point for backward and forward position
Okay.
here.
Okay.
When you want to operation the cycle start here.
Just push here.
Yeah, push here.
Hey, I think I can do this myself.
Yeah, you can see myself.
Very
And
good.
this to move the machine.
Okay.
It's manually, and it's manually easy.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and you can see like position.
Real-time position.
Yeah, you can see the
Yeah.
position to move the table, depending on the size of the workpiece here.
Okay.
And this is vertical, up and
And
down.
down.
And this jog is for 1 micron down. When you press one
Okay.
time, the 1
I see.
micron down is easy.
Hmm.
And this including the curve speed, and
Okay.
this continuous curve speed.
Okay.
You can select a different grinding model in here.
I
So this is the standard and the professional grinding
Right.
machine.
Now, what is this over here?
And this is the inverter to control
okay.
and adjust the speed of the grinding wheel.
Okay.
So you can select the faster or slowly the
Okay.
grinding speed,
Okay.
depending on the grinding material and to provide a higher accuracy.
And the surface finish.
Yes.
Surface finish requirements.
Sure.
Now, Paul, can you tell me a little bit about the structure for the grinding machine? Because that is a critical part for your whole operation and precision and accuracy.
Okay. Our machine submitting by the high precision and stable, the iron casting supplied by Mihana Systems for the
Okay.
base, for the column, for the machinery body.
Sure.
And the machinery YZ axis driven by the servo motor inside the
Okay.
electric cabinet.
And back here.
Yes, and the X axis is driven by the hydraulic system.
Ah.
And this hydraulic valve to control the hydraulic power, to control the speed
I see.
about the machine running.
Okay.
And the machinery overview the full guard with top cover to
Nice.
provide the better protection
Okay.
for the operators. And the bearing inside the spindle supplied by NSK with a
Okay.
higher accuracy and quality.
Precision, high quality bearings.
Sure.
Excellent.
And we can install the optional auto dressing system and the compensation system on the top of grinding wheel.
Okay, normally here is an option.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's awesome.
I got
It's
it.
our ADC system, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Excellent. Now we're going to hear from Paul more about the smart manufacturing capabilities. It's intelligent, it's networked, and it's got lots of features to help the operators, right, Paul?
Yes, this machine ESG1224TD Plus is the best way to Industrial 4.0. And later I will introduce something information about the network and the monitoring system assembling in this machine. And this machine includes cloud computing, big data, HMI, and IoT system.
I see.
Also provide the efficient network service such as the integrated network information in time maintenance with guidelines, remote checking and system maintenance. Also the service reduction of service and efficiency increasing. Also the collecting maintenance data and building database. The machine monitoring all equipment continuously, setting parameters without temperature stoppage, and transfer and store data in cloud service by internet.
Okay.
And the machine assembled by honeycomb structure and high precision motor, also high precision sensor and hydraulic storage valve and recreation mechanics systems. The machine PLC panel with the hand wheel to control the micro downfeed, and the touch panel provide the several language and the touch panel systems. Also the controller truck is provide the convenience operation for the mechanical power controller system. The TD machine includes several language and for the operation, and easy and convenient for the demand from the different countries of the customers. The digital man machine interface, including the high precision spindle and the electronic billboard and the production record, also the spindle status, intelligent processing, including the rough grinding, flow chart about the grinding value setting, and the grinding system, also the intermittent spark out. The machine I/O monitoring. This is a separate system, and the sensor status also includes the security systems controller system. The online I/O monitoring provides the cloud storage and the signal monitoring for the error feedback from the manager and the operator systems. Lubrication management provides something information about the lubrication oil. When the operator would like to replace the lubrication oil and something maintenance systems. Selection about the grinding wheel. Depending on the material about the workpiece and the material, the customer and the operator can choose the available materials. The ADC system is means the auto dressing and the compensation system, and provide the dressing, display, and the parameter setting and the mistake proofing. The manager screen includes something parameters for maintenance personnel. And dealer security system provide the machinery serial number and the machine timing and the unlock password. The big data database provide something functional menus. The system maintenance provide some machine maintenance parameters, setting parameters. The driver debug is the alarm code that will be shown and displayed in the servo motor, and the customer and the operator could be referred to the menu operation to find the alarm code and find the possible solutions. The malfunction resolution include the reality guideline and the replacement the controller, also lubrication, overhaul, and the controller overhauls. The major motor check, reality guideline and the separator system and the maintenance list could be provide the necessary information for the operators. And finally, this machine has been got the patent certification about the controller in Taiwan. So provide the necessary and helpful information for the customers.
Yeah, that's amazing. I mean, it's got so many features. You got a patent, you have smart features, it's intelligent, it's networked, it's everything somebody could want in a grinder. Thank you very much, Paul, for sharing this.
Thank you, Robert.
Now we have James. James is a sales engineer with Equiptop, and he's going to show us how they do the QC for this company. Now, welcome, James.
Hello,
Thank you
Robert.
for joining us.
Nice to meet you.
Now, your boss said to make a beautiful workpiece like this with a perfect
Yes.
surface finish requires really important things, and especially quality control.
Yes.
Can you tell us a little bit about how you guys do it here?
Okay. First, I want to introduce our spindle.
Ah, that's the key part.
Yes, that's very, very important parts for our
Yes.
grinding machine. Yes. And in our spindle room, it's a small dust-free room. Yeah.
Okay.
Because we have to ensure our spindle will not be contaminated during the assembly process.
Oh, perfect. So you assemble your own spindles.
Yes.
Oh, that's really critical, because if you handle this part, this is going to make a perfect machine. That's
Yes.
great. That's great.
Yeah.
Now, I see lots of signs around here, and I'm going to feel that there's something different you're doing here for your manufacturing and your quality control. What do you guys do here that's different?
Yeah. Yes. Let's call it lean manufacturing.
Oh, lean.
Yes.
It's strong.
It's very strong.
Okay.
Yeah, and the
okay.
most important part is continuous improvement.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Now, that's not easy to do. I hear from a lot of people that this kind of system is very painful at the beginning.
Yes, it's really, really tough at the beginning, but
Okay.
after you will use on it,
Okay.
and then you will rely on it day by day, so you
Okay.
can keep away from that.
Perfect, perfect. Now, I saw that you have some kind of list here. This has something to do with how you inspect each machine, right?
Yes, this is
Okay.
our accuracy list.
Ah,
Yeah.
yes.
Compare with international standard inspection. Yes, like the ISO, DIN, JINS, and CNS. So we set up our own standard.
Oh, yes. I see. Okay. So all these Equiptop standards are a bit higher than
Yes.
international standards.
Even quarter than international standard.
Well, let's see some grinding. Can you
Yep.
show us?
Okay, let's go.
Great. Now, Equiptop has said they've sold over 2,500 of these TD series machines around the world. Now, that means there must be lots of customers who have good things to say about these machines, right, Paul?
Yes, sure. The areas we're selling our machine not only in Taiwan, but
Sure.
also we sell our machine to United States, European countries, Asian
Yeah.
countries, and the other countries also. So
Okay.
later we will show some witness video from
Okay.
our agents in the world.
Excellent. Well, that means we have some good things to see. Stay around and see some witness testimonials.
Hello, everybody. My name is Luboš Valenta, and I'm the founder of EDM Trade from the Czech Republic. Our company has been cooperating with the manufacturer Equiptop for more than 10 years, and our experience are really, really good. Their products are of good quality and bring the value to the customer. If service is required, the manufacturer will provide support to our technicians. And on my behalf, I would recommend the purchase of Equiptop to the customer. Really, I do. I wish you all the best. Bye.
Hello, my dear friends. I'm Alexey Brudikhin from iMachine Technology Company located in Russia. Equiptop is our best machine tools partner in Taiwan. We've been cooperating with Equiptop for more than 10 years. For this period, I have sold many Equiptop machines. At once our customers buy Equiptop machines, they keep buying more and more because they can understand that they get high quality, high precision and durability for very reasonable price, which is very important now when the world economy is very unstable. Sometimes our customers don't have idea how to machine their workpiece. In that case, Equiptop provides perfect technological solution which is highly appreciated by our customers. I'm also very thankful to Equiptop's technical staff, which provides professional and very fast after-sales service, which is really 24/7. We can contact them by email, can call by phone, using different messengers. Sometimes we can use QR codes on the machine's panels, which can show us videos how to fix or replace some parts of the machines.
Hello, I'm Kevin Mungovin, President of Clausing Industrial in the United States. I'm happy to say that we've had a very long-standing relationship with Equiptop, one that spans more than 25 years, and over that time, we put more than a couple thousand machines in the field. Our proven track record of successful installations allows us to demonstrate the high quality and precision engineering that our customers will get with an Equiptop machine tool. Also, on the rare occasion that we need support, we appreciate the easy access and quick response we get from their engineering and spares departments, which allows us to give our customers the first-class service they expect from Clausing. So it's without hesitation that we recommend Equiptop, knowing that we're providing our customers with a reliable machine tool that's going to provide many years of accurate performance. So on behalf of everyone here at Clausing, I'd like to thank you for all your past support, and we look forward to working with you for many years to come. Thank you.
Now we have some questions here that customers are asking Equiptop, and I'm sure that Paul has all the answers, right? Now you have over 2,500 machines sold around the world,
Yes.
right? So that means these machines are pretty stable, obviously. There's no way you could sell that many machines
Yes.
if it's not a good machine. Now, some of the first questions we have is really what's the difference about this grinder compared with others that are available in the market?
Okay. The main difference between our machine with the competitor, I can have some information about the following recommendations.
Okay.
The first one, our machine could be input and included the several language for a different customer from
Yeah,
the
I
different
saw.
customers.
Yeah, yeah.
So the customer can understand how to use by the message with the different language versions.
Okay.
So they can understand how to operate the machine easily.
Sure.
The second, our machine provides the instant monitoring system.
Okay, that's
And
very important.
service engineer and the electrician can find the possible solution according to the alarm codes display on the controller panel.
Okay, okay,
The third,
sure.
our
Yeah.
machine could be installed with the auto dressing and the compensation system on the top of grinding wheel.
Okay,
So the grinding wheel no need to down to table to dress the wheel, and the grinding wheel could be dressed by the dresser in the auto dressing
Yeah, I saw
device
this one, yeah.
immediately. And finally, our machine had over more than 2,500 machines
Sure.
to the world.
Right.
No matter in Taiwan or in the world countries, they are our best witness about our machinery high quality and best information systems.
Okay, that's great. Now, another question I see here. Now, when comparing your machine with other machines from, of course, you have very top and tough competitors from Europe and from Japan.
Yes,
How do your machines compare to some of those top brands?
yes. Our machine compare with the other competitor from Europe or Japan.
Yeah.
we can provide the machine with the lower cost and higher qualities. Depending on our machine provide the instant service system inside the machine, network and monitoring systems. So it is better.
Okay. Higher CP, right? Cost
Yes.
of performance much higher.
Yes,
Okay.
sure.
Now, Paul, how do your machines compare when we talk about the quality of a European machine or a Japanese machine? How does Equitop compare from a quality standpoint with those brands' machines?
Our machine provide a higher accuracy because of the monitoring system inside the machine provide the necessary and helpful information to support the technician and operator to find the possible solution. And our machine provide a stable operation and nice quality due to the nice iron casting during the assembling this machine here.
Okay, excellent. Now we have one more question here. Now, when you compare to these other famous brands, what are the major differences? For example, compared with Studer, what are the major differences between Equitop's machines?
I think our machine, the main feature is the necessary information inside the controller system and provide the helpful and instant service information to support the operator if they find something the problem and this operator could be find a possible solution immediately by the information such as the grinding wheel, also the shortly troubleshooting information here.
Okay, so this is all within your database system.
Yes.
Okay, you have an extensive database. You sold 2,500 machines, so you have a huge amount of information that you have.
Yes.
Okay.
So our database inside the machine include a lot of helpful information to support the technicians during the grinding operation here. So our machine is helpful to find the possible solution if any alarm call show in the machine and provide the necessary information like the manual operation. But the technician no need to find the paper operation. You can find the controller to find any possible way. Yes.
Okay, that's very helpful.
Yes.
Now, how about application-wise? What kind of applications or industries is this machine suggested and recommended for?
Yes. Our main customer using our machine focus on the mold industry, also the auto parts industries. They can grind the mold with the basic rough grinding or fine grinding to have the mirror surface grinding here.
Right, like some of the parts we saw
yes,
earlier.
Like here, the mirror surface grinding application here.
Sure, okay. That's great. Well, now, why is it that your accuracy is a bit higher than other brands out there? You know, specifically, what are the specific reasons why it's more accurate than somebody else? I
think the machinery accuracy is dependent on the assembling quality, also the quality about iron casting. So our machine, I think, is available to list better features because our iron casting provide a heavier material and a stable operation for any customers. So our machine provide a nice accuracy because of the stable iron casting and nice assembling way during the earlier systems. Also provide the instant service system, also support the electrician system inside the controller system. So it is a nice choice for our machines.
Thank you, Paul. I can tell from all the information you provided, this is really a solid machine.
Yes.
But I'm sure if the customers have any more questions, they're going to definitely want to contact Paul at Equitop.